Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona manual here, and it's going to get a chemical flush here. But that's not what we're going to show on camera. Keys are just sticking on this. If they go up, they usually stick halfway. It looks like old oil in there. But what we're going to look at is the keyboard. So I wanted to make sure this was repairable first, because the key tops are way out of center here. So I wanted to see if we just flex these back and bend them straight, but that is not the problem. Got looking at this a little closer, like that number 5 right there, and looking at the key top. I don't know if we can see it on camera, but oops. So turns out that this key top is not even in place. It was on the side. It wasn't in the center there. And if you look at this closely, it's bent over to the side big time right there. So if it was even put in here properly, it wouldn't even fit. So it would. There's how it should go. Well, the other way around. So there's on the shaft on the spot. Let's figure this out here. Right there. But you'll see it's way off. So this has to be formed over. Pretty good amount here. So that's what we're going to do on camera here. I'm going to take this and carefully form it over so it's centered. I think that's pretty close. Give it another little tweak here. Okay, so I think that's centered. Now let's try it. It's still over. Oh, the 6 is probably over too much too. Take the 6 off here. The 7's off a little too. So I think the 6 needs to go a little that way. Make sure I get this on here. And 5's pretty close to being centered now. And the 0 over here was the same way. It was off, wedged on the side of the plunger, and it doesn't look that, it looks kind of centered. I just try putting it on here the way it should be. Alright, that one worked out pretty quick. But you never know what you're going to find with these. What kind of a situation they were in before you arrived on the bench. I think that's it. Just thought I would highlight that, and I'm going to have to look and see why these are a little uneven here. I think it's that cork piece is out of place. Let's see if there's something I can do with that. The 9 is definitely up high, maybe. And these are down low. I'll have to look into that a little bit and see if that's resolvable, but the main thing I want to do is straighten those key tops off. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.